Hi everyone, I am Dr. Nitin Rakesh, Director Symbiosis Institute of Technology. Welcome to SIT Nagpur. Established under Symbiosis International Deemed University Pune, which is accredited with NAC A++ grade and ranked as 24th in India in university category and 46th in engineering by NIRF. Our campus located in the heart of Nagpur, which is also known as the Orange City and the Tiger Capital of India. We offer world-class infrastructure, eco-friendly design, a vibrant learning environment that truly becomes a home away from home. At SIT Nagpur, we offer a perfect blend of strong academics, global exposure, holistic development, industry readiness, and entrepreneurial outlook. Flagship BTech Computer Science program, which is our engineering program, is actually preparing students for future technology. A student here gains expertise in artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science and analytics, cyber security, cloud computing, Internet of Things, blockchain, and other emerging and advanced computing. Those are related to the industry. SIT provides a vibrant hands-on learning that happens through the state-of-art laboratory, multiple activities like hackathons, research projects, industry collaborations, and continued skill enhancement initiatives. Our global pathway programs for international career for the student is making a buzz. At SIT Nagpur, we strongly believe in global opportunity for every student through various programs, like one of our program, dual degree program, in association with Deakin University, Australia. This international program enables a student to complete 2 years at SIT Nagpur and 2 remaining years at Deakin University, Australia. The student will earn BTech Computer Science from SIT, SIU, and Bachelor of Data Science Honours or Bachelor of Cyber Security Honours from Deakin University, Australia. There are other programs those makes student enable for master degree, which is in association with Iowa State University for a student aspiring for US master degree. We offer pathway program with Iowa State University, USA, where students complete 7 semester at SIT Nagpur and 8 semester at Iowa State University, US. This is a direct pathway to BTech Computer Science from SIT plus Iowa State University, which a student can compile in 5 years. Students are empowered with value-added certification from various partnered universities and institutions and organizations like Red Hat, Oracle, ServiceNow, Amazon Web Services, Infosys Springboard, NPTEL, and many others. A comprehensive industry readiness program ensures student excels in aptitude and logic building, technical skills and coding, various group discussions that happens within the classroom studies, mock interview preparation, building of CVs and knowing the modern keywords, seminars, workshops and career training. This rigorous process significantly boosts placements and career confidence. With this, outstanding placement results have been achieved at SIT Nagpur. The highest PPO offered to our student is 44 lakh. The highest CTC offered is 15 lakh. Average CTC is 6.56 lakh. Overall placement till date is 94% for the previous way. The placement and other activities students are also encouraged for entrepreneurship and startup ecosystem. We foster innovation through a dynamic entrepreneurship cell offering multiple registered student startup, dedicated startup mentor pool, prototyping labs and innovation support, funding guidance, pitch events. Students like this are encouraged to convert their innovation into a viable startup. At SIT Nagpur, students' well-being is at the center of our philosophy. We offer various infrastructural advantages for the student like state-of-art gymnasium, premium multi-cuisine mess with nutrition meals, modern central library with extensive resources, indoor sports like chess, PT, carom and many others, outdoor sports like basketball, futsal ground and many others, technology-enabled classroom and advanced laboratory, contemporary auditorium, seminar halls, vibrant culture, A vibrant, dynamic student community learning at SIT Nagpur goes far beyond academics. Here, the student grows through various activities like cultural festivals, technical competitions, student clubs and committees, hackathons and coding marathons, leadership and community engagement programs, sports leagues and championships. This makes SIT students more outstanding. SIT Nagpur is a place where dream takes its shapes and friendship becomes family and every day inspires growth. At SIT Nagpur, we nurture innovation, leaders, and global citizens. Welcome to SIT Nagpur, where your future begins.